Welcome to the Conveyancing Foundation Earthquake Appeal. Together we can raise thousands of pounds to help the 23 million people whose lives have been devastated by the earthquakes in Turkey and Syria and who urgently need our support. Please buy a £10 raffle ticket or as many tickets as you can. Your full £10 donation plus gift aid will go directly to the DEC Turkey and Syria humanitarian appeal. £10 could provide blankets to keep 2 people warm. £30 could provide emergency food for a family for 10 days. £50 could provide emergency shelter for 2 families. Thank you to our generous sponsors who have already donated thousands of pounds and sponsored the wonderful raffle prizes worth over £2,000. Please give generously and ask everyone you know to get involved. Together we can make a difference. These people desperately need our support at this impossible time. Thank you for your time and your wonderful support, and good luck with the raffle.